Hey everybody, welcome to another Cricut Craft tutorial. Sorry, no face in this one, but it's just a little hard to show you these awesome fonts in the other setup. So these fonts are all free fonts. You heard that, free, that will write. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I put out new videos all the time, and hit the bell icon that alerts you when I post a new video. Now all of these fonts are free. They are downloaded from dafont.com and 1001 fonts. I will link each of the fonts below in the description, and then I have Cricut pens. A lot of you always ask, what kind of pens can I use that are not Cricut brand pens? I'm going to tell you guys this several times in this video. Do not use them because you are going to void your warranty. You can also run the risk of breaking your pen holder with pens that are not Cricut. This is not Cricut sponsored. I don't really like Cricut product. I like their machine. I don't like their vinyl. I don't like anything else really that they release, but I do like their pens. I got 30 and there's a ton of different colors. You guys can see like a ton of colors. I'll show you these again too, but there's lots of colors. I got these off Amazon. I'm going to link them below. They're a lot cheaper on Amazon, and keep watch because they change price constantly. I've seen them as low as $12.95. These ones I paid about $20 for, but $1 a pen doesn't seem, actually less than $1 a pen didn't seem too bad. And they've lasted well over a year at this point, and I use them all the time. So let's go over to Design Space so I can show you guys these fonts in Design Space. These fonts are the ones that are free and will write like a single line writing font. I did all of these at 1 inch tall, and I did that so that everything was pretty standard and you could see them, but you would see that they're not gonna write with like that hollow look that some of these fonts are giving you. Now I will tell you that the Lick Curl, which is right here, does have a little bit of that look, and so does the Made the Artist, which is this one right here, this kind of hard one to read. But they almost look like they're supposed to be like that, and it actually makes them look kind of distressed, which is cool. And this is just using your Cricut pens. I know a lot of you like, well, I want to use pens that don't belong to Cricut. Well, I don't. I never have luck with them. I hate them. I haven't found one that fits well. I'm not a fan. And just an FYI, it voids your warranty. So if you're using an item that isn't made by Cricut, including the pens, and they do find out, not sure how they would, but you never know, it will void your warranty. So keep that in mind. So what I've done is I've just typed out each of the fonts for you. The ones in black are all available on dafont.com. I will link them all below. And then same with those red ones. Those red ones are actually from 1001fonts.com, which I will link each of those below as well. So I'm going to give you a few tips real quick on how to find these fonts. So look up, when you're looking at fonts, look for thin fonts. Look for fonts that are called hairline. And then once you kind of start seeing what they look like, you'll be able to pick out the ones that are super thin and are going to write really, really well. So let's go over to the machine so I can show you guys this writing because it looks amazing. So I'm just doing this on regular copy paper, which I've just loaded onto my blue mat. And I'm going to show you guys real quick just how to load your Cricut pen. So make sure your point is down, obviously, and I totally just dropped my cap. But all you do is slide your pen in, and what I do is I hold my thumb at the bottom and click the base down. Once you've done that, you can load your mat. Like I said, I'm using copy paper. I have it set to copy paper on my machine. I'm not cutting, so I'm not really sure it matters, but we'll just load it, and you'll see it's going to start writing. And like I said, the black ones are from Dafont, and the red ones will be from 1001 fonts. There are tons and tons and tons. These are just the ones that I found to use. But if you guys find others, be sure to leave those in the comments because there are tons that work really, really well. And I will say the writing takes a while, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so that you guys don't have to stay here forever. We're done writing with the black pen, so we can remove that one. All you gotta do is pop it out. And the machine will tell you when it's done, like it stops, and then it tells you also on your screen which color to put in next. So I'm putting in red, same thing. So we'll speed this one up for you too. Here are all our finished writings, and I'll get them up close so that you guys can see them as well. But we have Bella Light, or Belta Light, Hermione, don't ask me how to pronounce that, Rosewater, Lyrics Movement, Writing is Hard, Europe Underground, and Made the Artist. Those are from Defont. And then you have Lick Curl, Typo Longest Thin. Do not ask me who names these. I certainly don't. Belinda, and then Antipesto Pro Hairline. Again, very strange names, but they're really nice and they're super thin. So you can see writing is hard. Look at how nice that looks. You can't even see that it's, you know, not a single line font or a writing font per Cricut. And these are free. So there's Lyrics Movement. And then Belinda. Now with Belinda, there's a little bit of a spot in the L and the D there and the N, but you could easily fill those in a little bit if you wanted to, but I actually think it looks really nice. And if you did black, you may not notice it as much. The Typo Longest is really nice. You can't see any white in that one. And remember I said Lick Curl, you've got a little bit of it, but if you made it smaller, you wouldn't see that at all. Rosewater is absolutely awesome. Look at how nice Rosewater is, and it's so cute. It's such a nice little cute swirly font. The one I can't pronounce, Monte Petrum, I guess. Perfect, no white space at all. Hermione, you've got just a little bit, but I think the way the font is supposed to look kind of looks okay like that, because it's already got that kind of white space in it. And then Belta Light is, I mean, you can see, perfect. Like, really nice. And then same with this Europe Underground. It also has no lines. But the Made the Artist, you can see there's some lining in it. Again, if you made it smaller, you wouldn't have that issue. But I think it looks okay. And you can see this Antipesto. I'm trying to find you a good spot where it's... You can see there's a little bit, but it's not bad. And actually, I think part of this is my pen might be dying. Or it could be the light behind it. I lied. It's the light behind it. So it looks okay. I mean, you can see it's really a nice font. These are all super easy. Again, all of these are free fonts, which is great. I love free stuff. The pens right here, I got 30 Cricut pens. This is the actual Cricut pen set. You can see it comes with a ton of colors. I'm trying to get you a good light on all the colors. But it comes with a bunch of colors. I got this off Amazon. I want to say it was about $20. And I know you guys sit there and say, oh, use Crayola. These did not work. Somebody else said, try the V5 pens. These ones? No, they didn't work either. So for me, like I said, I prefer to stick with the Cricut pens. It doesn't void your warranty. You get 30 for a great price, which I will link these below. I will also link all of the fonts below. But these, you get a lot of colors. I've been using these for over a year, and none of them are dying, so I think it's really great. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit the bell icon. That'll alert you to when I post a new video. Have a great day, and happy crafting.